Hello! So, right now, pupunta na kami ng Mobo Pier. So, we're going to Calbayo kasi medyo pag bumalik kami ng Sorsogon, magiging dalawa ang aming barko. So, mapapamahal kami. So, right now, kahit medyo malayo-layo yung travel, here from Masbate going to Calbayo, I think mga 5 to 6 hours. So at least malilesin ang aming fare. So yun guys, so papunta na ako ngayon ng Calbayog Samar. So see you in a bit. Ano na sa hotel. Still here in still here in Masbate. So, see you, mga doctors there. All our staff, see you. So, today is August 12, 2025. God bless us all, mga anigas. So, see you, Calbayog Samar. See you, doctors there. Love you all. I love you. Bye-bye.